If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, everybody. My name's Maria.
Micah.
Kai is in the back, and we are making Dutch baby pancakes, which are super duper yummy. I didn't even know what a Dutch baby was, but that's what we're making today. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn your oven on right away to 425. Yes, I know it's hot. And you're going to want a cast iron skillet. These are cheap. You can get them at Goodwill. You can get them on Amazon for about 10 bucks. And I have a tablespoon of coconut oil in here, and I'm going to put that right on into the hot oven. And while that's heating up, we're going to make this batter. And you don't have to do this in a blender, but I got to tell you, I love throwing everything into the blender. It makes it super, super easy. And we're going to start with 3 eggs. So who wants to break open the eggs? Okay, Micah, can you back up so Kai can do that?
Okay,
crack those open right under here.
Okay.
I'm going to do one for you. Bing! Bing! Let's make sure that yeah, just put that right there. It's okay. Grab the other one. So it's 3 eggs. And we're going to use, let's see. Where did I put that? I'm going a little crazy. Over here. Got it, Kai? We have 3/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. You could use coconut. Wow, we have a lot of eggshells in here. Woo, doggy. Mommy's gonna have to pick those out. I got them, bud. Why don't you wash your hands?
Yep.
Yeah, we don't want eggshells in there. Even though Kai's the one that's gonna eat it, right? He wants it. So we're gonna do 3/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. You could use unsweetened coconut milk, whatever you want. Can you put a teaspoon of vanilla in there? That's the vanilla. Yep, and you could use almond extract. You could use butterscotch extract. You could use chocolate and peppermint, which would be interesting, but we're gonna use vanilla. Now you could do, just a minute, bud, you could do an unflavored Dutch baby and make it more savory. I have some savory recipes where I did some Parmesan cheese and some, what are those called? Asparagus. And we need 1/4 cup. So can you scoop 1/4 cup right to the top?
You guys know.
And put that in there.
I missed lunch for this Dutch baby.
You waited for this, didn't you? You want it right to the top. And we use egg white protein, like that. Not whey, because whey is too quickly absorbed into the bloodstream and usually causes a blood sugar spike. Even if you're not sensitive to dairy, use egg white protein powder. And we have 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And you want to make sure it's cornstarch free. Let's see. Oh, and you could add 1/4 cup of swerve, or we are going to use some maple extract. Or it's maple stevia. I'm sorry, not extract. Maple stevia. It's delicious. It's kind of thick like a honey. We're add about a teaspoon in there, and put the cover on.
This is gonna get wild.
This is gonna get wild, baby. And we're just gonna puree that up. Ta-da! And if you are kind of like me, I'm a planner. I would blend this up if you had a really busy morning. Throw this in the fridge. So in the morning, while you're showering and stuff, you turn your oven on, you come out, you pour your batter into the Dutch baby thing, and in 18 minutes, voila, it's done.
But
so,
I just like trying stuff.
Oh, don't try that, honey. Let's see. Is that hot enough? It's not quite to 425.
I think it's probably raw.
It's probably raw.
The batter.
If you're looking for another awesome video, check out the cereal, the Throwback Thursday video I made. This little boy interrupted the video. I had to take him potty. I'm sorry.
Fine.
I did. And this cutie pie was in his high chair. Super, super cute. All right, so I want you to back up because this is going to be very, very hot. Teach your kids to cook. They will thank you for it later. All right, so this is very, very hot. Cast iron skillet is my favorite way to cook a steak, which we should do that sometime. Oh yeah, it's very hot. And you're just gonna pour this in. And this is going to puff up like a big puffy pancake. It's delicious. So I'm gonna put that in there. And we'll catch you back in about 18 minutes.
Welcome back, guys.
All right.
Pancakes are done.
It's been 18 minutes. I'm going to take the Dutch baby out. So back up. Everybody's hot. Here we go. And you might want to set it on something if you don't have granite. But look at that big puffy pancake. Isn't that awesome? It's so yummy and delicious. Kai, you want to try it? It might be a little hot. Let's see. Let's dig a little fork in here. But you can just eat it right out of the skillet. It'll be really, really hot. But it is kind of like a souffle pancake.
Oh, that's...
It's going to be hot. We might want to let it cool down. But you can just drizzle one of my syrups. You must try my faux maple syrup. It's so delicious. But it's still going to be hot. Careful. Careful, careful, careful. You could just put plain butter on this. It's delicious. All right, so what do you want to say, Micah?
Hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Bye, everybody.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends.